Hi guys, Pranjit this side, co-founder at Sama.
Hi, I'm Akshita Ashok, co-founder at Sama.
Today we'll be walking you through the potential opportunities in the field of online dispute resolution and its relevance in the Indian sector. So let's just take a step back before ODR, alternative dispute resolution for example. It is a very extremely common term, mediation, negotiation, arbitration, conciliation. What ODR does is brings these ADR mechanisms online. And this is not something which is new. For example, ODR has been prevalent for the last 20 years. eBay, which is one of the first pioneers in the field of ODR, they resolved around 60 million disputes using online mediation. Imagine, that's double the backlog of cases in India. Similarly, a lot of Indian enterprises are also taking inspiration from the ODR model. And right now we have around 10 to 15 active ODR platforms which are providing online mediation, online arbitration services to various kind of enterprises, banks, e-commerce companies, etc. One such enterprises are organization Sama. Sama started in 2015, is an ODR platform recognized by Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India. We have around 625 mediators, arbitrators in 85 cities across India. We provide these online ADR services for various kinds of cases, ranging from family disputes, payment disputes, to banking matters. Especially within banking matters, we are focusing on personal loan matters, credit card disputes, e-commerce dispute between buyers and sellers, payment disputes with vendors. So varieties of small to medium-sized disputes, Sama is focusing on through online mediation, online arbitration. Some of the clients we are working with includes ICICI Bank, OLX, Udaan, Affiliate Finance, and various other NBFCs, etc. Now we can tell them about the scope of innovation in the field of dispute resolution.
Yeah, so just straight off the bat, there is a huge scope of innovation. The fact of just moving, let's say, your offline processes like mediation, conciliation, and arbitration online itself is a huge step because you have right from your filing to your communication, having your documentations in place, and of course having your settlements or your awards coming out completely end-to-end online saves so much time, has you spending a lot less money also, and also doing it from the comforts of your homes. It also allows you to solve a lot of disputes a lot faster. So that is one aspect of it. The second would be just the power of data. Where we are today, not just this sector, but any data is extremely powerful. So the system that's that's taking in all this data becomes extremely smart with each passing case, right? So you're potentially looking at probably solving cases automatically on the platform just by the machine becoming smarter and having settlements already in place, having solutions already in place.
Yeah.
So you are potentially really just working at a much faster speed and dispute resolution becoming very, very
The efficiency tremendously increases. Another things of innovation there is templatization.
Yeah.
A heavy templatization with respect to your notice of invocation getting templatized, your statement of claims getting templatized, defense statement getting templatized, rejoinders getting templatized, timelines, etc. So the majority of a work of an arbitrator mediator comes down by 80%, and now he just needs to apply his mind and his creativity to the final award, but everything else is taken care by the online templates. So this scope of data, templatization, and the whole process coming online is the scope of innovation in the existing dispute resolution system. When you hear all this, and if you think that you want to explore this field of online mediation or online arbitration, there are multiple ways in which you can work with us. The three primary ways being, first, obviously, you can sign up as a mediator and arbitrator on a platform. So if you have done a minimum of 10 cases offline as a mediator arbitrator, then you can go to our website called www.sama.live, click on the register page and fill up the neutral registration form. So that is you working as a mediator arbitrator, that's one. Number two is, if you haven't done, for example, a minimum of 10 offline cases, still don't worry. Sama can be the point where you start your journey of alternative dispute resolution. You can sign up as an assistant mediator, as assistant arbitrator on the platform, which doesn't require you to do a minimum set of cases. As an assistant mediator arbitrator, you have to do a minimum of 10 cases. You have to shadow mediators and arbitrators. And after you have done a minimum of 10 cases, then you get promoted to full-time mediator or full-time arbitrator on the platform. The third, which is the final way to work with Sama, which is extremely exciting, is the Sama Resolutionary Program. So the Sama Resolutionary Program is Now we meet a lot of people who want to improve access to justice in India, who see the scope of technology and ADR coming together and doing magic in the field of Indian justice system. They are partnering with us and taking the responsibility of promoting online dispute resolution in their respective cities. They are helping us in demand generation, they are helping us get more enterprises incorporate some arbitration clauses, they are reaching out to more lawyers, mediators, and asking them to sign up as neutrals on the platform. So these are our resolutionaries, and obviously there is a revenue sharing agreement which we have with our resolutionaries, and the top resolutionary gets recognized at the end of the year in the closing ceremony of Indian Mediation Week, which is our campaign to promote ADR across the country. So these are 3 ways in which you can work with us.
Yeah, and if we're actually looking at, just zooming into lawyers and working in a space like this, there is a lot that can be done, because whatever said and done, the lawyers are actually key stakeholders in this sector, right? You're the ones probably moving in and helping people resolve their disputes, knowing how the sector is working. So everything around us is being digitized. Technology is playing a huge role. It is important that in this sector, lawyers can step in as well and move towards this trend. So in terms of probably bringing your arbitrations or mediations or conciliations online, especially considering the pandemic and the lockdown and the need for social distancing, is an option. Explore using an online platform to conduct your mediations, arbitrations, or conciliations. Or sometimes we've seen on some of our cases, right, we have lawyers who are representing the parties online. Come and help out with your case online. You can be there for your party and get the dispute resolved. So there's a lot of scope, and it's also, I think lawyers are a very key part of being in this movement, of being part of this technology-led dispute resolution systems. So give it a shot. There is also a myth that this could be tough, or that this could be. Really, just give it a shot, and I think then we'd be able to speak.
Give it a shot also because, all clients, what do they care about? They care about saving time, they care about saving money, and they care about saving relationships. ODR takes care of all 3. And your client will be grateful to you for recommending a solution like that to them. So definitely it's worth a shot. As we wrap this up, ADR is not an alternative anymore. It is becoming the primary method of dispute resolution. It is important, it is trending, it is mainstream, and you need to incorporate that. If you look at companies across the world, 95% of the top 10,000 Fortune companies only have ADR clauses. And I would just want to end you with this note. You'll have all the links available where you can sign up. Online dispute resolution is not online dispute resolution. It's right now, in this situation, it's the only dispute resolution mechanism. I'll leave you with that thought. Thank you so much.
Thank you.